Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you love the hat as much as I do, because it's staying on for the whole video, so just love it, okay? On this one, we're going to do a quick update of exactly what I've been up to over the last, almost 10 days now since I've uploaded the last video, where the 10k is, how's it been going, the trades I've taken on it over this time, plus I have passed another free trial. Now I know you're saying, why are you doing free trials? It's because when you have one account, and you still have setups, I still want to know how they play out. I still want to get involved. I still want to have the ups and the downs. I still want to have that emotional attachment to the trade, but just on a way higher percentage of risk to get used to those numbers, if that makes sense. And also being in that test environment, I feel like adds extra pressure, which helps build you as a trader in the first place. So let's just get into it, go through the trades, have a look at the back end, and yeah, let's see where we're going from here. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the back end of the free trial. It's been 2 weeks and we have made another 5%. If I scroll down, let me just do a refresh so you can just see that it is legit. There we go. Refresh. I can see we made 5%. These are the trades we have taken. Not many. And look, we have a loss. I'm not perfect. I know the last one was 100% win rate, and I think that's a bit sus. You must lose. Guess what? I do lose. I lost one trade. So we have an 85% win rate. Obviously, the closes on the 13th. Today is the 13th, so I was in free trades that had to close early. As you can see here, we only made 1.2, 1.2, and then just 207, 77 on those on that position. So clearly, as you can see, they had to close early. But hey ho, is what it is. We still did 5% at the moment. I'll go through those trades in a sec as well, and you'll see that they are in profit, and it's just probably going to take a few days. As I say, most of my trades take 1 to 2 weeks, potentially 4 weeks, but I'm trading a daily time frame, and yeah, I don't have to sit at the charts all day, which I've done plenty of times, and I've decided that this is better for me right now. Everyone's different. So obviously, if you have a wife and kids, you have a busy job, whatever, you want to actually do stuff with your time, trade a daily. Don't trade the lower time frames or scalp unless you're like can get a setup within an hour guaranteed, which it isn't guaranteed. Then yeah, I recommend doing a daily. But let's just go through the trades and have a look what we got. So pound CAD was one of those trades. If I go back onto it, you'll be able to see the trades that we have taken. So pound CAD right there, you can see this one that took 4 days and 17 hours. So pound CAD, as you can see, came to a point of interest, broke down. Beautiful little one-to-one there. 2% gain. Fantastic. And I believe the other one we did was euro pound. So let me just have a look for euro pound. It says somewhere. So euro pound was a beautiful buy. Again, came down, broke above, and then potentially now we could have some cheeky sales on. We could, but again, need to wait for the candle to close to see if it meets all the rules. And if it does, we could be in for a cheeky sell. So that's a free signal for you right there. Obviously, guys, as well as free signals, don't forget, I actually have put this in the Facebook group, part of the GG Forex Facebook group. I have put in a free signal, and the link for this is down below. This is on, I posted this on the 8th of August, right? The 8th of August, and it was at like 3:30 at night. I did this on AU. So that was on AU, and as I said here, free signal. You don't have to take this, trade at your own risk, no more than 2% of your account, right? So I posted that in the Facebook group. If you want to get a part of the Facebook group, the link is down below. It's completely free. I do drop nuggets in there now and then. People join in, people also get involved in this, blah, 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 blah. But anyway, super cool. Being everyone's nice, so be nice as well, and you'll stay in. But yeah, so if you want to do that, the link is down below. But let's have a look at AU now, because I'm currently still in the trade. One of those trades closed early. As you can see here, we're still in the trade. It's only a smidgen profit. It's going to take a few days, right? It's going to take, especially with AU, it moves very slowly. It's going to take a few days. Let's have a look at some other setups. So pound CAD, as I said, was one of them. AU is still in. GU, I want to take. It's not there yet. EN, as I said, I'm currently in, sitting on my hands, waiting. Euro pound we have taken. EU, EG potentially got a sell on. We need to wait and see. EA, I am currently in. We are at break even at the moment, so nothing to go on there. USD CAD, I'm currently in this trade. Again, sitting on my hands waiting. It's going to take a few days, so the next time I make a few YouTube videos, go back over these trades, have a look to see how they've played out. And then you'd be like, oh, yeah, it did work out well. Oh, he failed. He's a loser. Way. Do whatever you want. And yeah, I'm basically sitting on my hands on those trades at the moment. There's nothing much to be going on, to be honest. I'm actually in GA as well, sitting on my hands and doing nothing, waiting for this to play out. So yeah, GA, USD CAD, and EN I'm currently in, and EA I'm currently in. So yeah, it's kind of it. That's all I can do. This is the back end to the 200k free trial, just because I had more setups than I could actually take. And all of these trades, right? All of these trades that I took on the back end or took for the free trial, I put into my Discord group for everyone to use the signals on. If I just bring this across, you'll see signals chat. Let's have a look through the setups. Oh, look, EN setup, which I'm currently in. That was sent to my group on the 8th. AU, which I shared on Facebook as well, right? That was sent on the 8th. We have a look here. I think I did the same thing twice. That was a mistake on my part, but it's the same thing, right? Have a look here. EA in that trade also. Have a look here. NC, right? I couldn't take all of these trades, but my team can pick and choose what they want. US dollar CAD. I'm in that trade, right? Let's have a look at the wins from other people. My guy putting it on German 40. Absolute legend. There's the pound CAD trade that I said. That was a win. Another guy in here. He needs one more to pass phase 1. And he's done. Absolute G again. All the signals are here. Here's the pound CAD trade again. 2 trades on this position. Here's the euro pound trade I said I won. Right? All the signals that I gave to my group. Here's another Chris, member of the group, right? He won here as well. Slightly different entry to me, but he got in slightly later, but made it work because he used the rules that I teach him. Okay, so again, all of these signals that I gave in the group, all of them were taken with this as well, and this is the results of those signals, plus the training, plus the mentorship, plus the weekly mindset calls and the one-to-one calls and all that stuff that you need to make you a consistently profitable trader. It's all here. But if you want to learn and earn, this is a great way to do it. All right. 3% of pudding. This is now collectively 15% proved to you over the last month or two, trading the daily time frame. Because the last time I did this, it was 10%, and now this is 5%. So let's just do another one and see what we can get. Right, let's just keep this ball rolling. I'm also testing out another prop from at the moment. I'm not going to say who it is, but I'm doing a free trial just because I want to kind of see how, one, their customer support is, how easy it is to set up their process, also just how their trading conditions are there like big slips, is it just weird in general, do I like it, does it feel trustworthy? Because at the moment, looking at what they offer is incredible. So if it's actually legit, I'm super excited, right? But I'm going to do the free trial, see how I get on, see the trading conditions, see the customer support, understand how the platform works, how I like to trade. Does it work for me with this platform and style? Because I am going to have to use MT5 or MT4. Actually, they offer all of them, MT4, MT5 and C Trader, which is amazing. So that might already give you a clue of who actually is the platform. But anyway, they offer a free trial, so it's great. So I'm going to test them out, see how I get on, and if it goes well and I like it, then I'm going to do the actual challenge, which is awesome. So yeah, lots in the works. Hopefully you enjoyed that back end. Again, not many trades. It takes time to play out. As I say, 1 to 2 weeks, potentially 4 weeks for a trade to play out. My NU took like 34 days. Sometimes it happens, all right? So for me, it's not really swaps and commissions. It's more or less... No, it is swaps. It's not spreads and commissions, it's swaps that most likely affect me. So anything that I can get swap-free accounts on would be, well, it's a game changer. But anyway, it's not too bad. Hopefully you enjoyed this little update. Sorry it isn't that exciting, but to me it is. My team are doing great. If you want to join, all the links for that's down below. And I done another free trial, which is now like 15% on this YouTube channel. So I can't really argue with that. I know you guys don't like the free trials, but again, when you only have a certain amount of accounts, you have more setups. You don't want to over risk your account. Do a free trial. Get that little spice. Get the feeling of being in trade, of someone saying you're wrong, because that adds a little bit of pressure on your trading, which helps you as a trader in general. So if you liked it, let me know in the comments down below. If you like what you want to see continuously, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.